welcome back to my new vlog. And for this vlog is I'm gonna be doing show you how to fold it panties, and it's very organizing also if we do this or I do this one. So I just learning also this one because normally I didn't do like this kind of how to fold it the panties or undies. So now I'm gonna show you, and I learned from the best and how I do. So then before I'm gonna be started, please don't forget to likes and heart, and of course subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my social media, MG Bibs Baril. My Facebook and my personal account is MG Bibs Baril, and of course my TikTok is MG Bibs Baril. The same for my YouTube channel. So let's go. Let's start it how to fold it undies. I'm gonna be show you how, and this is a very good to organize in my cabinet and or my box. So because I have a box for putting my undies. So here you go, our undies. I really prepared this one. I prepared this one, guys. So this undies is very clean. I just finished to wash my undies, as you can see. So first I'm gonna show you how to fold it, but I don't know if you can see me here. So let's do like this. So first is I'm gonna be doing like this in the back of the undies. No, this is in the back of the undies. So I'm gonna put like this and fold it here. I don't know if you can see it. And let's fold it also here. And you know, in the undies is there is a line over here. The things here, there's a line. So this is a first folded and the second folded and third folded and fourth folded. So it's like fourth folded. So we have a space from here, this area. And then now let's do like this, turning. Let's see this one or doing like this. It's up to you guys what you prefer about it. So for me, I'm doing like this. So we are here. I fold it here. And I do like this also. So it's just easy. You just putting like this. And now we put this one. And after that, because it's already like this. And then after that we do like this to return. Return, and there you go, our undies is folded. There you go. As you can see, it's folded and it's very organizing to fold it, these undies. So look, I never did this one before, and I just searching how to be organized my undies, you know, when I put on my cabinet, because I don't like very messy undies, and I like when I put on my cabinet, plus there is like a box for my undies to organize for undies. So I just want to put like this or like that, so it's easy. So finally I did this one, guys. This is a good thing for organizing for the undies. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I hope you're learning this one. Another learning, learn from the best. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.